What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know, I go by JOMILL Styles. This week I'm going to be showing you guys what I got from a sponsorship with NAP. They actually reached out to me through my email and they sent me a few pieces to show you guys. So let's get right into the video. Again, thanks for tuning in to this week's video. I'll have the drop down code down below so you guys can shop with NAP. You'll get 25% off when you use my code at JOMILL, and that is in all caps. All right, I'll see you guys next week.